Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 8, exercise 8B, book D1, perimeter and area of simple geometrical figures. Question number 1. Copy and complete the following table for each of the parallelogram. So in question number 1, in A part we have to find, if you see, we have to find the area. So we have a simple formula, that is area is equal to into height, breadth into height. So that is your base, you can say it also base. So base into height or base into altitude. So what is the given values? So that is 7, so it will be 84 centimeter square. So that is your area in first portion. So in B part we have to find the base. So base is equal to area divided by height or altitude. So area is 42, so base can be calculated as 7 centimeters. So that is your answer. Similarly in C part we can find the height. So the formula will become area into base divided by base. So putting the values, that is 42.9 divided by base is 7.8. You see the table in your textbook, then you will get 5.5 centimeters. So that is your result. Now coming to the question number 2. In question number 2, find the area of the shaded part. Shaded part, and first of all we have to draw the figure, then you can understand in a better way. That is the you can see like this, you have a figure. So shaded portion is, that is your 14 centimeter, that is your 12 centimeter, and this portion is 10 centimeter. So first of all you have to make the shaded portion. This is, for example, that is your shaded portion. We have to find the area of this shaded portion. First of all we have to find the area of full figure, then area of this triangle, then we subtract it, so we can find the area of shaded portion. So for example, this kind of figure is known as trapezium, because two sides are parallel, two sides are not parallel, so this figure is known as trapezium. So area of shaded part, we have to find. So the area of trapezium, so area of trapezium, of full fig, but this full fig is known as trapezium. Is having formula half altitude and into sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides. So putting the values, height is 12. You can take height, because sum of parallel sides are these two. You can see it is just a parallel sides, these two. So these are the parallel sides. So putting the values, sum of parallel side is 10 plus 40. So after simplification you will get, so that is your result. Now the area of unshaded, not complete result, because we have just calculated the area of full fig. Now we have to find the area of unshaded part, that is area of triangle. Area of unshaded portion, that is a triangle, and this equal to half base into altitude. We have a formula, so putting the values, base is 14 and height is 12, so you will get 84 centimeter square. So you can find the area of shaded portion only, just you have to subtract of. Therefore area of shaded portion is equal to, you have to subtract, that is 144 minus 84, you will get 60 centimeters square. That is your result. Now we're coming to the B portion of the same question, that is you have to draw first of all the diagram, then you can understand in a better way what is the diagram. So you have to find area of the shaded part. Once again you have been given a diagram, that is, and in this diagram you can see this portion we have to find, and that portion is 6 centimeter, and this portion is 18 centimeter, and the height is up to this, that is 24 centimeter. So the shaded portion will be this one, your shaded portion. So that is your shaded portion. We have to find this shaded portion. Okay. First of all, area of full fig. So area of full fig, that is area of a triangle. So it is equal to half base into altitude. Okay. Putting the values. So you will get 216 centimeters square. Similarly, area of parallelogram, this one. Now area of parallelogram is equal to length into width. Length and width, you can see 48 centimeters square. So area of shaded portion, so subtract it. So you can subtract. So that's why therefore area of shaded portion is equal to, you will get 168 centimeters. So that is your result. Now coming to the C part. So first of all you see the fig, that is you can see here that is your 20 meter, 16 meter, 20 meter, 16 meter, 30 meter, and that is your 48 meter. And what is the shaded portion? So that is your shaded portion. Okay, that is your shaded portion. Now you have to find the, first of all, area of a full fig, that is rectangle. Area of full fig. That is equal to length into W. So you will get 30 into 48. So you will get 1440 meter square. That is the area of full figure. So area of small trapezium. So you can see here that is area of small trapezium. You can see here is your small trapezium, that is 1 2 3 4. So this is your 20, and that is your 30. This is the sum of parallel sides. So and height is 16. So if you see the trapezium, so you can see, so the area of small trapezium, and area of bigger trapezium is this one. If you see from here, that is 48 plus 16. So sum of parallel sides, and height is 20. So from this side it is a big one. So for smaller side, first of all you have area of trapezium of smaller trapezium. So area of small trapezium, that is equal to half height into sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides. So putting the values, that is 16. You can see the height, and sum of parallel sides, that is 20 and 30. You can see that one is your 20, sum of parallel side 20 and 30. 20 plus 30. So you will get 400 meter square. So that is your small trapezium. So when you calculate the small trapezium, you will get the result like this. Now you have a big trapezium, that is sum of parallel sides, that is your 48 and 16. Now you have calculated small trapezium. So big trapezium will be area of big trapezium. So that is your is equal to half base into sum of parallel sides. Again same formula. So putting the values, here height is 20, because you can see in smaller trapezium these are the parallel sides, but in bigger trapezium this is the parallel sides, this is 48 and 16, and that is your height. So height is 20 and sum of parallel side is 48 plus 16. So simplification, you will get 640 meter square. So area of shaded portion will be, you have to sum up, so find the total area of the shaded part. So therefore total area of shaded part or portion, that is equal to 400 plus 640, just we have calculated, so that will be equal to 1040 meter square. So that is your result to find the area of trapezium. So that is the 1040 is the shaded part area. So you can see in your figure. So coming to the D part, again you have given a different figure in D part. You can see the fig. That is your 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter, that is your 9 centimeter and 17 centimeter. So we have to find the area of this shaded portion. So my shading is not considered to be good one, I think so. So anyhow, this is your shaded portion. First of all, area of full fig, that is your trapezium, big trapezium, area of full fig. So area of full fig, that is your trapezium, is equal to half height, altitude, and sum of parallel sides, So this is the sign of parallel. So putting the values, height is that is, you can see here, height is how much? That is your 6 plus 6, that is 12 centimeter is height. So you have to put here 12, and sum of parallel sides, these are the parallel sides, 17 plus 9, so 9 plus 17. So after simplification you will get 156 centimeters square. So that is your area of the trapezium. Now area of a triangle, here you have one triangle, so therefore area of triangle. Now area of triangle, this is the sign of triangle, half base into altitude. So putting the values, base is 17 and height is 6, so you will get 51 centimeter square, area of a triangle. So area of shaded portion, so subtracted area of full trapezium you have calculated. Now area of this you have calculated, this one. Now you have to find the shaded portion, that is in green color. So what should you do? That is your triangle. Okay, so you have to subtract it to find the area of shaded part. So area of the shaded part, therefore area of shaded part is equal to 156 minus 51, so you will get 105 centimeters square. So that is your result. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 3. In question number 3, once again you have to find the ABC table, because in question number 3 it has been given that copy and complete the following table for trapezium. Okay, for example, in A part we have to find the area of trapezium. So area of trapezium, that is equal to half height, sum of parallel sides. So we have a simple formula, putting the values, that is 6 being given in your table, and sum of parallel side is this one. So after simplification you will get 54 centimeters square. The area of trapezium. In B portion, again we have to find the sides. So for example, one side is given to us and second side we have to find. Okay, you know, since area of trapezium is equal to half height into sum of parallel side, but one side is given, so parallel side, suppose I say that is side 1 plus sum of parallel side, that is side 2. So height is given to us, that is, and side 1 is 8, plus we have to find side second or side B. So what is the area of trapezium? That is 126 is given to us. So by using cross multiplication you will get 8 plus side second. Okay, you can see here by using cross multiplication and simplification you will get this here is 18, that is because we have divided by 14 you will get this, so we need the side second, so 18 minus 8 you will get 10 centimeter is your side second. So that is your required result. Now coming to the C part of the same question. C part. C part, find the once again we have to find one side. Okay, as area of trapezium is equal to half h sum of parallel side, that is side 1 plus side 2. So that is your formula. What is height is given to us and area is also given to us, that is 72, and height is 8. One side we have to find, but the second side is given to us, that is 5. Okay, by using cross multiplication you will get 4 into side 1 plus 5, and you will get this that is 72, but we need the side 1 and 5, so the result is 18, because 72 divided by 4 you will get 18. We need side 1, so shift here, 18 minus 5 you will get 13 centimeter is your side first side, so that's why you have calculated the side 1. That is your result. Now coming to the question number 4. In question number 4 we have to find the total cost. What is the cost of us spraying insecticides on a field 2000 meter by 3200 meter if the cost is $22 per hectare? 1 hectare is 10,000 meters square. Okay, first of all, area of field is equal to 2000 multiplied by 3200, so you will get 64, that is 5 zeros, that is your meter square. That is a simple area. So we have to convert into hectares divided by, because it is given to us, that is equal to 10,000, so it will be in hectares, so 640 will be in hectares. So cost per hectare is as cost per hectare is $22, so therefore total cost is equal to we have an area that is 640 multiplied by 22, you will get 1408, that is your dollar result, $14,080. That is the total cost. Now coming to the question number 5. In question number 5, if you read the statement, find the unknown marked x or y in the following figures. Okay, in first figure you see in A part we have to find that is, first figure is like this, so we have to find this one, and this one is 19. So this figure is like a trapezium, as since area of trapezium is equal to half into altitude sum of parallel sides. So putting the values, height is, actually this one height is unknown, that is your x, and sum of parallel side is 12 plus 19, so that is your parallel sides. So area is given to us, that is 124. So after simplification you will get 31x, and that is 248, but we need x. 248 divided by 31, and the value of x is 8 centimeters. So the unknown x having 8 centimeters. So in B portion, now in B part, a new figure is given to us. Okay, once again it is also a trapezium. 17, that is your 40. Okay, sum of parallel sides, you can see it's also a trapezium, so very much easy. Since area is also given to us, area is equal to 280, so these are in centimeter square. Okay, no problem. Now since we have a formula, that is area of trapezium is equal to half height sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides. Height is your 14, and sum of parallel side is, one side is 17 plus x, other side is x. So after simplification you will get what is the area of trapezium. It is 280, so by cross multiplication you will get 560, and 14 into 17 plus x. 17 plus x divide, that is 560 divided by 14, so you will get 17 plus x, that is equal to 40, but you need the value of x, so 40 minus 17 you will get the result, that is 23 centimeter is your required result. Now coming to the C part of the same question, once again you can see the different diagrams are given to us, and we have to draw these diagram here and then find, that is C part. Diagram is, you can see here, like this. We have to find x. (27, 31), and these dimensions are given to us. Okay, now once again we have to find the value of x. Again, when we take the since we have area of trapezium is equal to half into height and sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides. And this height is actually x unknown, and sum of parallel sides, these are the parallel sides. You can see here. So that is your 27 plus 31. So your area is actually 348. It becomes 696 by using cross multiplication, and the x is the sum it and divide 696. So with the sum 7 and 8 and 5. So the value of x is 12 centimeters. So that is your required result. Now coming to the D part of the same question. You can see the figure like this. And this is your, we have to find this one. That is your x. 24 P S, that is your 8, that is your 7. Okay, these dimensions are given to us, so that point is your M. Okay, suppose. Now how can we find the value of x? First of all, again by the same methodology. Actually the x is the sum of parallel sides, because when we take the trapezium, suppose since the area of trapezium, is equal to half h into sum of parallel sides. So the height is 7, this height, you know, this is your h, and sum of parallel side is, that is 24 plus x. So that is your 24 plus x. So these are the, because this side must be equal to this one, we shift this side towards this, we consider it as here, because this, so that is your trapezium, because we need this, we have taken this portion as a trapezium. You can see here, this is your basic trapezium, we need this. So that's why you can see here we have, so area of trapezium. So here the area is you know, the area of trapezium in this side, it is 8 also given, you know, so it means the area is that is 24 multiplied by 8. So because 24 length and width, so if we see it is a parallelogram, like if we see the full fig, it is a trapezium, red colored marker, so it means it is a trapezium. But if we see the full fig, it is a parallelogram. So how can we find the area in this situation? So length into width, so 24 multiplied by 8, so that's why we have written here. So it should be written clearly. So that is your result, that is 192, and after simplification you will get 7 by 2 into 24 plus x, and so for further simplification, multiplying by using cross multiplication, you will get this 168 plus 7x, but we need the value of x, so it will become like this, because we have shift and subtract, and the value of x is 216 divided by 7, so that is equal to 30.85 centimeter is your result. it should be noted that the actually area, because area multiplied with 24 multiplied by 8, you will get 192 centimeters square. So this is the area. So we have completed exercise 8B. I hope that this will be helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.